Se oberma batane maame ho ne wotie maame futuo na wo ba na do na wo nyenti na untimi na untimi an so be man nya be maame mu do amma wo na sto na ne maame ni figure on abrabo musa oh and before we want to say it because if you have to take about social media and work as a manage
so I can
but one thing ya wo phone this way you
saying queen of comedy if you are sure as nigga it's here for wasa ake kan mu bi any saying ne ba James ne girlfriend na koshi eho semsem aba beto dwa wo mra if you are sure as nigga chesa se konofo pay mu ka se wo no de ne bambe ma no twins no akasefo no enya ade obema wo maware wo Ghanaian bia chese Ghana ni babia na etiefo eno na akwakoba se ama Ghana for do na che wo madwen e de found sanse wo musu se fia Schwarzenegger nsem na wo kana se wo nimnia wo kan ada ba be asew crafo ana wo no a na be ware ne ba mbema no James and John na etiefo dodo na ato no tie de gu efia Schwarzenegger ni na monsem ya wo de ebetu ja then see me aba no wanfa ensi wa wasa de nsem bi akoto ni page so what I have and will sack any girl around my boys. Leave them to work on their future. If you have a problem with them, kindly call your free pussy daughter to order. If I was weak, they won't be here. It's here for wasa ko make you come and say wono dear. Wa pamu na wo gusube pamu baby wono no sebi only home control. No what na ade no wo ba obepam wasansa ne ba no wo dwe wo daachun na wo sutu se wo daachin ne so no ebewie pen na wo no efia Schwarzenegger no wo de na bra boto chacha kan ne ba no wo abra bo no emba mbesi baby a esi na se ne sitie bia no funny face wife Vanessa and so a support no mra wo tro sa message a mekenkan ye di to one hour kotro wase say I understand and I will do the same to your grandchildren. Also to say that be if you Schwarzenegger come what ya say pano no nimba ella any bella non so sa titi na ma wo de be ma leti for nsem nchire muti no me twa me wan ba na me di ababoso. Since Nancy Temefia Schwarzenegger nemba started trending ewa me kwa lockdown ba so mu resume ko school a chese obeka nsem na echire ne result wonsem dodo na wo so trending up to now to see ade Ghana for dem money di echire am relationship nsem ama beto drama na mo maami ankasa controversial lady Fia Schwarzenegger de obia ne mo no wo de ne nsem abeto ja say asekuleti adwenche dodo na akoso na mu chire mu no minu aba na na ma wo su amofe oba wo a wo se we de Ghanaian ni bankasankasa otimi se mi fa so a be pense nsem na ma wo su akwa
injosu
se bibia e find you
na do bia e ko bia da ne kwanso
ye
ne grasa kurusa
nyame ni edin na ye show o share na see the Schwarzenegger ne ba no trend pa James and John fiti miracle coronavirus ba ye chese lockdown be pie mo so ma ne ba nko school enu echi no oni buko mba nko result on sem no chese ma ankola na kasa no omo ye hit na same time relationship mo sem a we dey James and a girlfriend na akoshi mami and say my semi or kind just say we your baby our relationship or she ever commit suicide. Na enuechi funny face wife on so about kebi. The first of all konya if Fia Schwarzenegger the betu na dey na wo je found so man baby amare wo Ghana. Na wasabe kan sem bi ma so.
Me da say wo wase mi say na say na me koso ma me chia tumaji chefo any supporters na go pompo so ansure mo mujita ya mude eta ichidanda na me ba nsem ni so a If you just think that day, then you need to fit it. On society, Sanote, or ye on yet 12 person, but or ye me can't say on yet 12 person as me undermining, but or ye 12 and controversial.
Okay.
Or you'll be ordained, you ordain anything because I can once summer Rebecca and keep breaking, keep breaking, and that's what we do, ma. Or no, so close to controversies. Oh, my ninety. Listen, one candidate. Those say, Wakoye or Mamma, or will say, and I said, now, Ukwanda Swell when I say, or no, not to Momudi, or no more pocket money. It is still now, will say, oh, my brother, so, but determining say, Ombe ware Ghana for, and answer ware Ghana for me, and which name Colado because they say, oh, no way, will be in Chile, be out of free bow. Obi nche akoma no ebi a wonko bi akoma no do na obe chusu ana ni nyia mu no so e say depending say won tie no like how won etie ni say because say omo dina ni say e live omo like say ni say mo kwa no omo krom ni principles away lay them and say put on them omo krom e live omo life there and e be the pa say obe bi a o ye Ghana ni a o gudo dia mo ne man boys no obenya akonya mpo se empogra ko ne so de odo ema kwan no mtimi ekabo mkra ba ne ni beji wa we because se obema batane maame ho ne wotie ni maame futuo na wo ba na ba na wonya tin na untimi na untimi an so be na ma nya be ma mu do amawo na sto na ni maame ni figure on brabo musa oh maame on se ni person from so from so but I want in such a situation from so will be a problem for you wow from so next account need to be because who so say who seem to yen san konye ne da and say the need me and say mubufu to kwaba mtema no ni mama ni bemu a wancha na ni mama futu o kache na sabe standing we be e wo fie ho na fere we mu bra ko so wa nti e bed if only say the mano ejina sem no etuma na so mdo na sem ene to na mo but as at now say CI they all cast me say ono no job office ono no to mo mudi ono to atale show
okay
ono school no ko no do ko into all right so like I say o ma onye say we screen but say won agasa do mo ho dia and no make your choices
now who ni say fear yen nsem wo can this time ne kwan so anu no ese nsem bufrei the fear so wie SHS wo mo pre wo mo da achi wo be ko tertiary abuild wo life now ma start relationship na asat na oba wo mo life who ni say ne kwan so no so dey violent and whatever she is yen na yen mo no or dey libre so pa be pam bufrei in the way I want you
me so dey ne kwan so anu because obi eni wo be say ne bre nye kwa eno obi eni wo a build bibi a obese mpofum no bibi ade no o build no bibi me distracted and I say bibi me fa kwa mu na and say was struggle all these years etimi e dia gada wo share a fear of thing and money and big investment because ne bre a wo bre nya ne man tia
no correct
the oye ni an kofo nya nkase tia bo hunu abeye video na man fo twa last time we video no so say ade na man fo etini omonye esi ne so I just say a poor of us didi edition and man who so missing and not the part say the Juma or yeno and no putting at the center of ridicule insult and no a single man because of the man and to on to me says a bring young a church and for the night after man forward what they are then money beneath na pedies now about Bomo goes to number na nyama kitikiti biti say ni question no back be no person maybe the way or the approach na maybe go say too bibi but some of the social thing
who will say too bibi because do na condemn any
ana me say
bi nso ka say there be ready enye bibi awofo ni bi ye fa ye ni hwe
who say baby o
because of bad combo word it in if you are no dear your back
and in America say and before we say be because if you have to take about social media and work as a manage
so I can
but one thing ya wo phone this way obiara ne kwan a they addressing the issues maybe we are phone in social media celebrity and say na the first thing that was social media so all the time yes and I was me come make up for the only Instagram it's maybe no otiamia but me mama so no me ni am because can screen say me be ma pass be fie na me na for boys fie o be fie no be slide e bi komo me dina bonti o bi komo na mama if you betin we chi sangba anybody be o ne say mo twe prempo komodie no na bi o bi o fa angu no o fa fie aba no say maybe who me o sa na be man mu ne be ya gaba o me fi o po eti mi fi o na ase o ye we o ko me ni e bi ko mo su kra ka so tu wa me sa na se me ka bi se o elements ka so wo fie jata fie o ma eti obi a wo kwan so a o dey address issues because taking care of a child and then you are sitting there and cheap. It takes sacrifice and then with me show back. No be do pepe so bi. Nti so wo hwe ne ma e do ma go si pepe so bi no obo mo ka na we hu se ne ma kitikiti bi ba be distract no hu se emwo ma pa no beta. I don't see anything wrong with it. And the right so be kan ne ma onu no show.
Okay. O de ye hwe ni so yo asema wo eye efia hwas nega. And the other who share a second sentences now to say clear and no dear as a protecting a ban or say I have and will sack any girl around my boys. Leave them to work on their future until when we're making it clear. If you have a problem with that, kindly call your free pussy daughter to order. If I was weak, they won't be there. Until there. As I explained, the clear. But share the sentences of making earlier on. Say, oh man, back and worry a Ghanaian be and who want to say, and then Tina walk casa, but watching you know, will bet me a change of mind.
Oh, so when you change of mind, so when you change of mind, you don't want to so, but so I went there, far-fetched, I went there. The Ukrainian meaning, don't say a member. Some men be attached to our for and as a teacher memoir, they take their mother's view for the kind of women they marry. Obi wa so worry about sending mommy. Remember is almost attachment to mommy. Now is that figure say saying woman dey dey. No ask me where so the end the almost attachment to man, but no just say no be influence their choices of marriage. Marriage is far-fetched, and then we go school.
Yeah.
School we so many different kinds of things there.
Yeah, sure. Best.
Ubet me akofo you have to change their brain say, "Jeware no, dem me penny." Ubet me ajet to so ba ni but na ni je and which no for flame market. But our real no yes it should be commitment from one to the other.
Never me bisa asasem ne say won say fear shas nigga.
And make us me can't see as to say. Or can me. But that does not determine what will happen in their marriages. And to me, so I need to bet a more worry. I do more G2 so person worry foreign women.
Yeah, make us say about one decision I will making and I'm busy.
And make us say,
over to me a change in the nearby future. And I explain say it will depend.
And I make us say, I don't want that so when you change of mind and that's when you change of mind. The mama and your they are men.
Okay. Never put that particular question and say, in there, we're gonna have you a fear near what family relationship. And yet, back when you pneumonia, a young Miss Bob in the Abbey, Eben in the Mutus, when ya be a one relationship. Who said Mutin or Gina Soka Sansa now? A bit me about to say later, a bit me in your relationship, better one. Ewo Ghana higher, I said, Beb one, my a change of mentality about the previous experiences, no. And I'm managing to be sasa.
But I say, if you understand that the memo they told me, say Ghana phone, the former husband, so I done. The other thing is, I just want to say done.
See, if you are ready back now, I just say the experience in Ghana.
I will Ghana for
30%.
Ghana for that the vision is saying. Oye funny.
Okay.
Otimi can send me most of the same can sometimes can go me
Yeah.
the way I
Because this year because I say what sakra punches or call in the way violent but I said this year kind of why hotter than previous year.
And then send me I don't think that send me no can or me and that's the best standing by forever because they are nurses time changes and you can't say they make out 2020 more. And one at 2021 be my 2022 be my 2025 be my time changes and things may happen. Things you will not have control over.
Okay.
A man there say Oba Brabo Neka Oba Brabo Tina who wants an amendment.
Nana say yeah, bufra you to be bro my so pray. This age so falling in love when you're broken hearted. This age, how can you focus? Then I'm basa where the see na what the advice account because you see at the asenia 16 years, 15 years, 18 years, 17 years. Na mpinatria kese na wo mu akodi.
Siatrasa ofone you try high school movies. When you away boyfriend, when you away girlfriend, any be any issue say or who secondary school cry or sing or boyfriend.
Because at this age, dear, who shall not just say they should be focused because they have a lot ahead. Tertiary and the ketua, and you should be focused. Girlfriend, boyfriend, no, as at now, cramping it will be like help me finish my course. If I don't think say one, me never.
I didn't need a car, but a course. Help you, you pass help me finish my course, but a quiet
one is sustaining. But all the same, the food will be a woman in Bruno because me the moon is say me opinion, saying I don't want actually condemn me if when you ask me, I think so what she's doing, it will take a great woman to do that. Yeah.
Okay, now my final words I'm Rebecca and something I don't want to say. See how they we are say woman in my call and tempt be I so be up in my be and no nama and then we collaborate school grab almost come relationship but everyone to an advantage some women they get to have a clear knowledge of relationships from there maybe experience from there but in it will save you a whole lot say you will concentrate on building your future than say live with regret. Now we building now unya cannot say had I known na bim and no fam will be no regret no it's me ma cry sometimes I depressed about boom it's me to in some way it's me ma relationship with them in the future was done can no benefit to it's me no basa because of past experiences maybe when you know won't me overcome to avoid all such problems no see any opportunity see is near there you focus say na I am building a future and you building any papa dia and you can think about the other things I know back coming along the way and one you not stress in building such relationships eti kakra meka fa won
you nana mo so ye da wasepan ne wakwenya wo dia bet na your platform so edi amani na kakra me so me de beka won se awofo no ni preso na eti editi yemba mo fa no bi age bia wan hwe ya untumi encontrol na ni name no do it in a mature way don't be too protective overprotective ban sound so abufani you push them to the wall to go on their own way I know so say anya ade ebu na say the city bia funny face so wife so send ya within December 2 January there be obi am dey otete ne maybe Abella and Ella no na ebi o kun papa bi no Ghana ha e na o free enti also there the 2 January we did say bia we free say the kwan so am na so bia na wo mba no that no Ghana ha ya e na ewo eti for aha na me ma kwan e bi mo asi na to say also discussion wa adwenkyere wo mo then I will see kafa if you are sure as nigga or you overprotected over the kids and on your no ne kwan so no but what the energy adventure to your comment section subscribe so when you are too much it just too much there you want your too much head and mouth say the bear don't boy ya red light no so you na once now say to me akobet to me actually what dream na friends so like na share ne promote channel we na bet me atina say e dey ama oda me dey any mercy cow aha na do besi enya me pa ya be sign ehia bi makao